Hi, what's up? Good morning, everybody. Wilbur here of Clear Choice Auto, and welcome back to our another video. So, hope you guys are doing well on that side, wherever you're watching right now. Hope you have a good and a nice, beautiful day. So, what do we have here today? Today we have here the 1979 Corvette. So, we'll be doing. Oh, we already did the tint on this one. As you can see, we did 5% on this rear window and then 20 on the side. So in today's video, I just gonna show you the how to shrink this window. We normally on Corvettes, they're known to be aggressive in terms of shrinking the back windows. But on this one, it's not too aggressive. But the most aggressive part, the exciting part on this one is like when you install the film. Like, yeah, you're gonna have to crawl inside there because this thing won't go up. So you're gonna have to crawl all the way down there. And if you're a big guy, it's a little bit harder or difficult for you to install the film. So lucky for me, I'm a small guy. It's easier for me to crawl to fit inside there. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the video right now. It's coming up. All right, here we go. Let's do this. So I already bounced the back window. So what I'm gonna do right now, I just pattern the film on the outside. So I'm using 5% for the back window and 20% on the sides. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, as you can see, I'm rolling down the film on top of the glass, and after that I determine where should I bring the fingers. So on the 1969 Corvette to 79, they are just straightforward. You don't have to shrink the sides. You're just gonna bring the fingers into the middle. So what I'm gonna do right now, same method, I just do my normal shrink technique. Just lock in the middle and then cut the excess on the side. So yeah, cut the excess, and after that cut the other side, and then push those fingers in the middle and lay the sides flat. So go to the other side and cut the excess film. Always check, right? Always check where is the black border. So I didn't really follow the black border. I just lean my film on the molder. So yeah, it's pretty flat right now. As you can see, the film is already flat to where it is. So I just gonna squeegee the film flat down and then lay the area flat. So you see the top right here. So this is like little tension there. What I'm gonna do, I think I'm just gonna have to cut the tension right there on the top corner. So I'm gonna cut that and then release the tension and lay the film back down so it lays flat. It won't fight against the curve. So basically it will follow the curve if you just cut the tension. And then after that, after cutting that, just cut the sides, the top sides, and then proceed to the next side of the vehicle or the glass. Okay, lay this flat down, just like that. You see how it goes down flat nicely, no tension, because I'm releasing the tension in the top corners. So yeah, proceed to the other side. Do the same method. Okay, so let's proceed with the shrinking. So I've seen earlier, just lay the sides flat, right? So right now, all the fingers you've seen, they're all in the middle. So you see these massive fingers right there. So you just gonna shrink that, spread them in the middle. No fingers on the sides or laid down normally, laid down flat. So yeah, so gonna shrink that. Proceed with the install. The most exciting part of this is the installation part. So, this window really is not really that hard to shrink. The only hardest thing on this one is like when you install the film, because this rear window, rear trunk, don't go up, unlike the newer ones like the 2001 to 2001 onwards. All those back windows are all open. You can open them easily, install the film easily. But this one, you're gonna have to crawl all the way inside, lay down into the floor, and then install the film upwards. Which is, yeah, you can see that when I install the film. It's so unfortunate for those big guys trying to install the film. It's gonna be back hurting and bend your body inside just to fit in. But for me, a little bit easy for me. I'm not that big guy, so I'm good. Yeah, so we're almost done with the shrinking. It's only from preparation to finishing the shrink. It's only take us 8 minutes, 8 to 9 minutes. Yeah. So after this, I'm just gonna cut the film to the border, and then after that, do the install. Anyway, I already cleaned the window in the inside earlier, so just after this, I'm just gonna install the film. Okay. Turn the light, and yeah, the purpose of this light is for you to have to see the border inside. Right, so let's do our cut. As you have noticed earlier though, every time I cut the film, all those excess film, I never threw them away on the ground. The reason of that is that you might step on those film. Sometimes it's wet. You might get slide on the ground. It's gonna be scary. Yeah, so always keep the excess film away. Earlier I just put my excess film on the roof area, so the floor is still clean. Yeah, just follow the border. Just cut the excess film. After this, very good. Install. Anyway, if this is your first time to visit on this channel, my name is Wilmer, and welcome to the channel. And I really hope you enjoy our video for today. And if you do like our video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for you to get notified for our next video. We'll be uploading a lot of videos here, like door panel removal videos, whatever, fixing videos, PPF, vinyl wrapping videos. Yeah, we'll be uploading those in here. All those techniques will be revealed here. Yeah, let's do our install. So I'm just gonna clean this back window, the outside part. This is the bounce. I'm using bounce. The reason of use for me to using bounce is nothing really. It's just the skill the stopping of the film, so it won't stick and stuck into the glass. Right. So yeah, just clean the back and do our install. guys, so that's pretty much it. That's our video for today. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your effort, and thank you for staying with us. Yeah. So hope you guys likes our video for today, and if you enjoy watching our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if this is your first time to this channel, welcome to the channel. Welcome to this time. So please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. So bye bye for now, and see you on our next video.